Hi, I'm Arun Kumar Devanayagam, Principal Architect and one of the 3 founding partners of Palaj Architecture Studio in Bengaluru. Our aim is to create design that redefines relationship between nature and modern living on par with the constant development of technology. So our first step was to study each and every tree and understand how many of it could be retained or restored as a part of our design. We were blessed to have this Bodhi tree, which is about 80 years old, right in the center of the square plot. We have taken extreme care and measures to retain this tree and about 50 plus trees along the periphery of the plot. A 30,000 square feet clubhouse is designed around the tree over 2 levels, crafting a grand entry into the community while simultaneously elevating the central garden in the foreground. We have carefully curated various amenities for different user groups such as kids, senior citizens and working professionals to come out and express themselves within the nature. Basically, it is a square plot with the eastern side having a lot of sunlight, and with the existing buildings on the western north side, there's a lot of shade towards the western, and there was a strong wind blowing towards the southwest across the site, which we wanted to use it to our maximum level in our design. In a group housing design such as this, we always want to enhance communal living and encourage deep connection between the residents and the natural environment. Our aim was to maximize daylight and enhance airflow by using 8 feet tall windows and introduce greenery as terraces to create a biophilic environment which makes you feel like you are in a retreat where you breathe better and sleep better.
I am Prabhakar, Executive Director, ELV. I am a graduate in civil engineering with 25 plus years experience in the industry. We do all in-house projects where we have 40 plus engineers in the execution and planning team. At the IVORY Terraces, we use My1 construction technology to ensure faster, durable, stronger and eco-friendly constructions. We are collaborated with Cushman and Whitefield as our PMC partner. This ensures third-party assurance controlling budget, timeline and quality. The IVORY Terraces is IGBC Gold certified. This means lower electricity bills, healthy air and more comfort in your homes. We are using Sharewall concept here where we are using wall panels and we are doing 7 to 8 day cycle so that we are going to complete every floor at 24 to 25 days. We are confident in completing this project within the specified timelines without compromising to any of the quality aspect.
Hi, I'm Vivek, Executive Director at ELV Projects. I have been associated with ELV Group for more than a decade now. In 2009, ELV Projects started as a real estate construction company. With a great vision, we now transcend across educations, pharma, animations, entertainments, healthcare, and many more. In the last 16 years, we have delivered more than 2 million square feet with more than 2,000 happy customers. We have now 300 plus acres of land bank in Hyderabad and Bangalore, and we are doing more than 50 million square feet of residential space, ensuring that all the customers have the highest appreciations. The IVORY Terraces. This is our flagship development located in the heart of Whitefield. They have 2.5 times larger balconies and we have a very high wall-to-window ratio promoting the most natural ventilation. Sustainability is quintessential to us. The community has 30,000 square feet clubhouse, 45 plus amenities, infinity swimming pool, open amphitheater, tree house, private movie theater and many more. We believe that society has given us so much. It is our moral obligation to give it back. We have contributed to Kerala floods, many cancer patients. During COVID times, we have provided food for more than 500 people every day, delivered oxygen cylinders and also the daily supplies for the laborers, the drivers who were jobless. I'm delighted to announce that the IVORY Terraces is now fully funded by Arbor. The construction has picked up and it's going at a full swing. I am more than confident that we'll be able to deliver your home within 20 months.